Alright, so what is up, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Jaylen. I'm back with another video, man. As y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail, we gonna be doing the TikTok challenge, man. Can we chug a pop without burping, man? I have a special guest with me. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Lil Dre never did play.
Oh God, like he said, man. You feel me? Shout out your Instagram.
Lil Dre _400. My under construction right now.
Yeah.
On my right back, no 10-30 days on everything.
Go follow him. In the meantime, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen right there. Y'all go follow him, do all that good stuff. Don't forget to like this video, smash the like button, man. You feel me? Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Comment in the comment section down below something nice, cool, all that good stuff. Also comment some video ideas y'all would like to see on this channel. You feel me? But without further ado, let's jump straight into this banger, man. Let's get it.
Subscribe, man.
We got Sprite.
I'm dead.
Hold on. And you can't burp. If you burp, oh, all right, bet. So if you burp, you get punished. So the punishment is,
Yeah, my nigga. Sip, sip.
if you burp, the punishment is you gotta call your ex and tell him you miss him. Nah. So we can't burp, man.
Oh, that's serious, alright.
That's serious. So we you feel me? Let's get a thumbnail real quick. Okay, just get up close. Make sure they can see you.
Banger. That's gonna be a banger.
God. Bro, this is crazy. The whole bottle, no burping.
Mine ain't working.
I ain't gonna burp, bro. I can't.
I don't know if it's coming or not. On
Right.
everything, bro.
I'm confused. You know you gotta finish the whole bottle without burping.
Oh my God. This serious.
Yo, I'ma just try to talk, you feel me, so I don't burp. Like, I don't know if it's coming.
Because if I start talking, my shit gonna be like,
I'ma just keep talking, you feel me, so I don't feel like I gotta burp, you feel me. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you haven't already, you feel me. Why are you watching right now if you did not like the video? So I'm gonna need y'all to go like the video right now if you haven't already. Follow my Instagram. Exactly.
Like the video.
Like-
I'm not playing with y'all.
Like the video right now.
Yes.
And my Instagram is on the screen, so go follow it.
Tap in.
Right, follow him too. What are y'all doing? Y'all still watching, but y'all didn't do anything. Go do it.
We're live.
Right, like, go do it, bro. Dumbass nigga.
Oh, I thought it was finna come, bro.
Nah.
I'm dead, man. I'm dead, man. This shit is ridiculous.
Bro, I can't do it, bro. I can't do it. I'm somewhat halfway there. Oh yeah, you getting there. Yeah.
I can't do it, man. Cause if I do, that's like playing with my gangster, man.
Right.
feel like I'm gonna do it though, bro.
Oh, Harry.
Oh. Hold on. Oh, I can't read that. Bruh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This shit is crazy as hell. It didn't like, you feel me?
Right, like.
It didn't, you feel me? So you can't say nothing.
Yeah, that don't count. That don't count.
That don't
unless
count.
unless you hear it like the, you feel me? A real burping sound. Unless you hear it like that, it don't count.
I can't drink no more of that shit. I can't. You ain't even my shit. That way down. My shit down on these.
I gotta keep going. I gotta finish.
I ain't gonna fake. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it, man. Oh my niggas, man. I'm telling you, bro, cause it's like I gotta, and then you can't drink no Gatorade, cause that ain't gonna do nothing but just it's go automatic.
It's gonna make it worse.
Yeah, shit crazy. She taking long as hell to come on the court. What the fuck is you doing? What the fuck is you doing?
Crazy lady. Oh!
Damn. Alright. Damn.
Oh, he burped. Alright, we gotta get this on camera. I ain't gonna blur. I'm gonna blur out all names and everything.
I gotta have it on speaker.
You don't gotta have it on speaker, but I gotta be able to hear it though.
It's gonna be cool for me.
Everything gonna be blurred out when I edit.
I gotta figure out what I'm finna call right now. I gotta figure out what I'm finna call.
Bro, I couldn't hold it in no longer. All right, let me make it easy on you. An X of your choice. I need a retwist, bad draw.
bitch probably at work. Oh, niggas, the bitch probably at work. Hold on. No, I can't call somebody else cause oh, hold on. She must be laid up.
Straight to voicemail.
I called her at the wrong time. She got a ring. She can't be doing that. Hello. What's up? What you doing? Oh, I miss you, man. Man, on the niggas I do. What you mean I ain't hit you up? You ain't hit me up. You do not hit me up first, man. Stop playing. Man, don't even do that, man. You know I'm gonna hit you up. But you see I hit you up right now. Right. So where have you been? I've been looking for you. You ain't been looking for me? Oh, that's serious. You got a boyfriend? At least you honest. So that means we still could be cool though? What? You know what? Hey, that's cool. That's cool. I don't want to be able to follow. You feel me? That's cool. We got our agreement. Bruh, just don't go. Don't do that no more. Don't go MIA no more. I'm gonna take.
What the fuck? Like the video right now. Subscribe. Comment in the comments below.
Cause you don't play like that.
Alright, y'all, so you feel me? That's the end of the video, you feel me? Before we end this video, I'm gonna need y'all to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section down below, comment some video ideas y'all would like to see on the channel, and you feel me, I'm gonna need y'all to go do all of that, man, you feel me? I'm gonna be uploading more consistently, I'm gonna be on here. So without further ado, it's your boy Jaylen. I'm out. Peace.
Okay, bye.
She blow me like a horn when she done go beep, beep. Like some birds on the power line, we pop out deep, deep. I smoke tree like cheeky. Met that bitch at the cop me. She calling me, stalking, yeah, she following me on IG. 556